it's Morgan. With all the craziness going on outside, I want to share our little secret for getting food delivered to your door safely. So we discovered Imperfect Foods about 2 months ago and we are obsessed with it. So it's a company that was started, any food classified as imperfect was going to waste. And they were able to support a lot of local, small, family-owned farmers and get this food to people who need it. So it's really, really awesome. I wanted to show you some of the stuff we got today. A delicious pineapple. You don't need Starbucks when you could get this delicious Mexican vanilla coffee. You can even get your fancy meats to go on your cheese board because you gotta bring the outside inside these days. Awesome fresh fruits, blueberries, raspberries, oranges. You know you're gonna need some onions for all the cooking you're doing at your house. We tried all sorts of delivery services. We didn't really care for the meals that were pre-done, but this is awesome because it's just like going to the grocery store, except prices are 25% less. This is like finding gold these days. You can get bread delivered, jalapenos, because we like it hot at our house, potatoes, and not only that, you can also get your meats delivered. We got us some steaks, we have some salmon, and we have chicken. They have beef. It's what's for dinner. So you can get anything that you want. The great thing is orders over $60 shipped for free. Anything under $60, only $5.99 delivery anywhere in the US. And I'm gonna drop a link and you can save $10 off your first order. So y'all stay safe.